Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. We are here at the True by Hilton Baton Rouge I-10 East, which is on Siegen Holiday Circle right off of Siegen Lane. And we're going to give you a tour of the hotel and our room. This is a brand new hotel. It's only been open for 3 weeks. And as of the date of our stay, there wasn't even a TripAdvisor review up yet. So we're going to take you on a little tour. So this is our king room at the True, and start with the basic safety features. We have a peephole here. This is a map of the hotel, and we're on the 4th floor right here. And we have our standard safety features. We got the latch, mechanical deadbolt. The light switch here as we come in the room, you just touch the top or touch the bottom. It doesn't actually click on and off, and I think that's for the purpose of it turning itself off after a while or when nobody's in the room. Yeah, it seems to, I'm not sure about that. We'll have to read into that. As we come in, we have a full-length mirror with a light over it. And this is the closet. As you walk through into the room, you have a bunch of pegs here where you can hang stuff up. And on the right, we have a bar that you can hang hangers from. We have an iron and an ironing board. And we have this little table. And under the table is the refrigerator, which doesn't really work very well. It's a little too small to be useful. That'll work. No microwave. This is these rooms are very small, and it's been the same at every True we've stayed at. They could put a microwave right here on the table, but they choose not to. We have a little bench here. This is padded so you can sit on it, I guess, to put your shoes on or whatever, or you can put your luggage there. You can put your luggage over here. There's storage down there. It just looks like a place where you might put shoes or something. No dresser or anything like that. The end table is very basic. It says a shelf. This is, I think, no, this is actually an alarm clock. And the display is very dim. You can't really see it, but this is not a wireless charging thing. This is, you push this to turn the alarm on or off, rotate to set. And it's got places to plug in and USB ports. Small lamp here, which can be angled different ways. It's got a light at the top and the bottom. Telephone. We have a very large television. Now, in the past, we've stayed at True's and they had small TVs because you're not that far from the TV, so there's really no need for a large one. But if your vision is failing like mine, the large TV helps. You have a big king bed with 4 pillows, and the pillows, they give you 2 small ones and 2 large ones. You have a small desk area here with a roll-around chair, which is just big enough to put a laptop on. There's an outlet and 2 USB ports on either side of the TV. HVAC is handled by one of these PTAC units here in the wall below the window. And we get a nice big window that looks out at the Home 2 Suites, which we reviewed several years ago. That's Siegen Lane over there, and you can see all the retail stuff. There's a blown out sign sticking way up in the sky as a result of Hurricane Ida just a few weeks ago. Those are diamond spaces down there, and we're parked in one of them. And on this side of the bed, we have another little table, and it's decorative, but that's about it. And more outlets and USB ports. Now, this is interesting. This lamp has a sliding switch dimmer, which you don't usually see in hotel rooms. It's got that little orange light there for some reason. I don't really know why. This window has 2 different window coverings. And you pull a chain. And this gives you privacy and eliminates quite a bit of the light. But if you want total darkness, pull this one. And we now have total darkness if we shut out all the lights. Which is always good if you want a good night's sleep. And yeah, that's about as close to total darkness as you're going to get in a hotel room. So this room also includes a bathroom, and inside the bathroom we have a nice lighted mirror. This is a high vanity. It's got towels and washcloths and such below. We have hot and cold running water. The water is indeed wet. They include this these soap dispensers with this not soap radio, not soap comma radio, which I actually looked that up. You can Google it if you want. It's kind of a not really that interesting story. But this is body lotion, joy-inducing lemon and sugar body lotion, and joy-inducing lemon and sugar hand wash. We have the standard plumbing fixture, a Gerber, made by the same company as the baby food, I guess. And we have a glass enclosed shower, no tub. And being that this is a brand new hotel, I would expect the shower head to be like a brand new shower head. And it is. It looks like it's got multiple settings. Yeah. Yeah, it's got a couple of different settings. And they all work. And we got the not so radio stuff in here too. We have beach and sky blue water conditioner, joy-inducing lemon and sugar body wash, and self-confidence boosting beach and sky blue water shampoo. So that's it for this room tour. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment below, give us a thumbs up, share and follow us on social media, and be sure to join us for our next 504 road trip.